sacrifices made.
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है, बात बात में हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला ठाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की अभिमान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। ये है अपना राजपूताना नाज इसे तलवारों पे, इसने सारा जीवन काटा बच्ची तीर कटारों पे। ये प्रताप का वतन बना है आजादी के नारों पे, कूद पड़ी थी यहाँ हजारों पद्मिनियां अंगारों पे। बोल रही है कण कण से कुर्बानी राजस्थान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
Broke the chains and the next is trying to fly. Let's see what happens when the youth of Indian freedom struggle meet the distant youth of today.
The year is 1913. The age smells of revolution. Our elders have taught us that freedom is a birthright. I walk the path of Annie Besant, who woke up this nation from its deep sleep. She launched the Home Rule League, telling us that self-government is the only way a nation can breathe. We are waking up every town, every village.
ఇంక్విలాబ్ జిందాబాద్. ఇయర్ ఏమో 2026. క్లియర్ గా చూడన్నా. లుక్ క్లోజ్లీ బ్రదర్. ద ఇయర్ is 2026. The market is crazy, but my team just launched our new AgriTech AI app. ప్రతి రైతు చేతిలో స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ ఉంది. మన సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వల్ల వాళ్ళ పంటకు సరైన ధర దొరుకుతుంది. Every farmer has a smartphone, and our software helps them get the right price for their crops. Jai Hind, Digital India.
You talk of software while sitting in air-conditioned rooms? Look at my heroes. Think of Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, who smiled as they walked to the gallows at just 23 years old. They didn't fight for the comfort. They shook the British Empire by throwing bombs into the Legislative Assembly to make the deaf hear. Think of Chandrasekhar Azad at Alfred Park. Surrounded by enemies, down to his last bullet, he looked at the sky and said, "Azad hi rahe hain, azad hi rahenge. I have lived free, I will die free." He shot himself before a British handcuff could ever touch his wrist. And look at our own Telugu soil, Alluri Sitaramraju led the Rampur rebellion right here at the Eastern Ghats. He stood against the British Forest Act, matching their machine guns with traditional bows and arrows. He bled for the tribals of Visakhapatnam. A youth demands absolute sacrifice.
అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు గారి గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? He fought to protect our forest and tribal brothers. But today, look what we are doing to our own land. ప్రకృతి మొత్తం నాశనం అయిపోయింది. ప్లాస్టిక్ తోనే నిండిపోయింది. Nature is being completely destroyed. Everything is filled with plastic. My youth belongs to grassroots activism. If we don't save our environment, what future are you building for Kabir?
सर सॉन्ग
2025
मेरे वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहां रहूं जहां मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Battles, but the same burning blood. Let's look at their struggles.
We gave up our education when the Quit India movement was declared in 1942. We walked out of British universities. We chose the dust of the streets over the comfort of their classrooms.
మేము డిగ్రీస్ వదిలేదన్నా హైపర్ ఫోకస్ చేసాం. We didn't give up our degrees, brother. We focused on them. We cracked global exams and built tech pipelines. Our sacrifice is the 80-hour work week and risking our life savings on a startup. మన దేశం నుంచి ఏ యువకుడు వేరే దేశానికి వెళ్ళి పని చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడే ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఉద్యోగాలు ఇస్తున్నాం. No youth from our country needs to go abroad to work. We are creating jobs right here.
You talk of money? We had nothing. We smiled when they threw us into the dark cells of cellular jail. We didn't have venture capitalists. We had our lives to pledge as collateral for India's freedom.
And we respect that because of your struggles. ఈ రోజు నీ వీధిలో నించొని ప్రశ్నిస్తున్నాను. Our battle now is to protect the society you built. We fight fake news that tears communities apart. We march for women's safety at midnight. And we stand up for the last person in the line. Your war gave us a country. Our war is to keep it human.
We broke the salt monopoly so you could eat free.
మేము యూపీఐ చేసామన్నా రోడ్డు పక్క ఉన్న టిఫిన్ బండి అతను కూడా డైరెక్ట్ గా డైనమిక్ క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ తోని పేమెంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. ఈవెన్ రోడ్ సైడ్ టిఫిన్ స్టాల్ ఓనర్ టేక్స్ పేమెంట్స్ డైరెక్ట్లీ యూజింగ్ ఏ డైనమిక్ క్యూఆర్ కోడ్.
We distributed banned newspapers underground to keep the truth alive.
మేము టెక్నాలజీతోని డీప్ ఫేక్స్ ని అల్గోరిథమిక్ లైస్ ని ఆపుతున్నాము. Look at them. There is no conflict here. Only a continuous relay race. The battle was fought in the fires of 1947 and it is being carried through the digital highways of today.
You are the independent India we dreamed of while looking through prison bars. Do not let greed divide what we united with our blood.
ఖచ్చితంగా మీ త్యాగాన్ని మేము వృధా కానివ్వం. Definitely we will not let your sacrifice go to waste. We will use our economic and technological power to lift our villages and make this nation as a global leader.
Keep questioning, keep fighting. A nation is only as free as its weakest citizen.
మన మట్టి కోసం మన ప్రజల కోసం తోడు ఉంటాం. We will keep it fair, we will keep it green.
The revolutionaries of yesterday, the builders of today. The youth of India is the soil of India. Jai Hind.
That was
Happy Independence Day to all of you. I deem it a privilege to be with you all in this prestigious Catherine Education Institution campus on this blessed day.
కామన్ థ్రెడ్ వారి నిర్వహణ శైలి అవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే వారి పోరాట శైలి అవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు నడుస్తున్న యుగానికి ఉన్న ఒక కామన్ థ్రెడ్ ఏంటంటే సాక్రిఫైస్. ఒకప్పుడు గాంధీ గారు లేదా మన ఫ్రీడమ్ ఫైటర్స్ వాళ్ళు వారి జీవితాన్ని సాక్రిఫైస్ చేసి మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం